for us, it's about doing the right thing, building in a sustainable way, making sure that we save energy, send no waste to landfill, build with sustainable materials, and it's fundamentally important for M&S.
Cheshire-Oaks is the biggest store we've ever built. It's the second largest in our estate. It's the third in a series of sustainable learning stores. We have a truly holistic approach that looks into things like materials, biodiversity, community engagement as well. Cheshire-Oaks will be BREEAM Excellent, which we're really proud of. It will also be our most carbon efficient store.
We wanted to provide the area a full offer flagship store in a very accessible location that will draw customers from a wide region and will create over 350 new retail jobs.
The design aspirations really started with a blank sheet of paper, and that really started then the energy with the team to ensure that every ingredient that was considered had a sustainability quality or a governance attached to it that could be traced back to source.
Our aim to be 35% more carbon efficient and 30% more energy efficient is aided by supplying 70% of the heating required of the store using a biomass boiler and heat reclaim from our refrigeration.
During construction, we levelled the extensive surrounding ground and recycled nearly 55,000 tonnes of soil and clay to local projects and sent zero construction waste to landfill.
The development of Marks & Spencer's Cheshire-Oaks is the largest UK project of its kind, using a significant amount of glulam or engineered softwoods that is 100% FSC accredited.
This is the first retail project to use prefabricated panels made out of hemp, locking up carbon within the structure of these panels. We've actually made a saving of about 350 tonnes of carbon dioxide.
Where we just couldn't use natural material, we've used recycled material. The roof insulation is made of recycled bottles, the aluminium roof is 100% recycled, the internal walls use 100% recycled boards. Even the ceramic tiles on the sales floor are 40% recycled.
We had to use local biodiversity action plans to inform the landscape design with the main aim to support and develop local habitats and ecosystems.
We've installed Swift and bird boxes and our largest green wall, which will cover the south elevation of the car park.
We've also planted 228 new trees and added 12,000 square metres of landscape planting. We hope that enhancements to the swale and planting will encourage flora, insects and amphibians to the site.
Regular newsletters and using social awareness channels like Facebook and Twitter were key to consistent communication and engagement.
The Eco Committee at Christchurch Primary School were invited to visit the site several times, where the children took part in activities. Such opportunities mean so much to our pupils and are invaluable to their knowledge and understanding of the local community.
Being given the opportunity to lead such a store as Cheshire-Oaks is a privilege and a challenge. As building occupants, understanding the complexity of design features will be as important to me and my team as the day-to-day running of the store. Engaging customers and embracing the unique service we can offer, whether that be electric car charging points, travel information or our capacity for 100 bicycles.
I think this is a really important development for M&S because it's doing a lot of things that will help it to learn from this experience, for other companies that need to build to the same set of criteria, and for people in general to understand what sustainability means in terms of high quality new build, raising the bar for everybody.